Welcome to Heal and Rise with Hilda, your transformational wellness and energy coach. And today, I take great pride to share with you one of my joys and wins. Being certified as a health coach 2 years ago brings me to yet another moment of achievement and responsibility. I say achievement because I have successfully completed my 2 month certificate course in nutrigenomics from the esteemed Velocity Institute of Genomics, and hereby I practice as a certified genomic wellness consultant. This is indeed a moment of great pride for me. And I say responsibility because it's now my goal and mission to help working professionals between the age group of 30 to 50 to unlock their body's unique blueprint through nutrigenomics and to guide them to restore their energy, improve their resilience, and to achieve sustainable wellness without crash diets or burnout routines. So, how does this work at Heal and Rise? Being a working professional myself and experiencing similar health concerns within this age group, myself, I have also experienced and seen many of my friends and colleagues working experience some of these below, such as lack of proper nutrition, lack of sleep, poor eating habits, skipping meals, or poor lifestyles such as consuming alcohol or smoking cigarettes, even lack of exercise or having immense stress. This have I seen resulting in diseases or illnesses such as hypertension, diabetes, non alcoholic fatty liver diseases, obesity, the major concern, and lack of sleep, mood swings, the worst scenario. Seeing some of my friends and family even experience cardiac arrest or heart attack, stroke, and even premature death. So, at Heal and Rise, we focus specifically on a unique edge that is health through nutrigenomics. So, our motto is to restore your energy, improve your resilience, and to have sustainable wellness through sincere efforts, no crash diets, no burnout routines. So, at Heal and Rise, we work upon a 3 month routine or a program which deals with DNA based personalization, that is nutrigenomics, plus transformational wellness and energy alignment. This is also called as the Genetic Energy Reset Program or the GER program. It's a 3 month transformational wellness journey that you could achieve. So, if you are ready to stop chasing short term results and you want to create a life that is also ever flowing with energy naturally, comment below GER or just Genetic Energy Reset, and I will get back to you to help you align your health in a unique blueprint way. So, looking forward to hearing from you and see you in the next video.